Welcome to the Social Lens and thank you for watching. In a highly anticipated event, the parole hearing for Oscar Pistorius was convened at Pretoria's Kosi-Mampuru prison. The Correctional Supervision and Parole Board, responsible for determining Pistorius's eligibility for social integration, examined the convict's profile in light of his conviction for the tragic killing of his girlfriend, Reeva Steenkamp, on Valentine's Day in 2013. The decision to grant parole has stirred a range of emotions, with the victim's mother, June Steenkamp, choosing not to oppose the application despite her absence from the hearing. This marks the second time the Parole Board has convened to deliberate Pistorius's fate, amid the toll it has taken on the grieving mother, especially after the recent loss of her husband, Barry Steenkamp, in September. Despite the immense pain and grief she continues to endure, June Steenkamp made a surprising decision not to oppose the parole application of her daughter's murderer. While her absence from the Atteridgeville Correctional Services hearing today was noted, it was clarified that her non-attendance was a result of the emotional toll this process has exacted on her. Rob Matthews, speaking on behalf of Reeva's family, conveyed the depth of June's struggles, particularly in the aftermath of her husband Barry's passing. This unexpected stance from the victim's mother adds a layer of complexity to an already emotionally charged and controversial case. The first meeting, which occurred amidst public outcry and fervent debates on the appropriateness of Pistorius's potential release, concluded without a decision. The board opted to reconvene, taking into account additional information and circumstances surrounding the case. The subsequent meeting delved into Pistorius's behavior and conduct during his incarceration, assessing whether he had demonstrated genuine remorse and rehabilitation. The parole board carefully scrutinized his prison record, behavioral evaluations, and participation in rehabilitation programs. The decision to grant parole signifies a belief on the part of the board that Pistorius has met the criteria for release, sparking debates on the effectiveness of the correctional system and the extent to which justice has been served. The parole board's decision raises important legal and ethical questions about the nature of justice and the rehabilitation of offenders. Critics argue that Pistorius's release sends a problematic message about accountability for heinous crimes, especially those involving domestic violence. They question whether a few years behind bars are sufficient for someone convicted of such a grave offense. The parole hearing and subsequent approval for Oscar Pistorius's release have rekindled public interest and debate surrounding one of the most high-profile criminal cases in recent history. The decision to grant parole, despite the heinous nature of Pistorius's crime, reflects the complex interplay of legal, ethical, and emotional considerations. The mixed reactions from different segments of society underscore the challenges in balancing justice, punishment, and rehabilitation within the criminal justice system. As Oscar Pistorius prepares to re-enter society, the ramifications of this decision are likely to resonate for years to come, influencing discussions on the efficacy of correctional systems and the pursuit of justice in cases of intimate partner violence. If you found this video informative, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time.